Struggling with a sticky, rusty cast iron skillet that constantly ruins your perfectly cooked meals? Discover the ultimate secret to a flawlessly slick, non-stick surface with the top 5 best cast iron seasoning oils available right now. In this video, we are going to count down the top 5 cast iron seasoning products on the market, analyzing everything from their ingredients to their real-world performance. Which oil is the absolute holy grail that will transform your dull skillet into a piece of slick black glass? Keep watching to find out. 5. Field Company B00QGWM59A. This product stands out immediately because it is an organic, carefully curated blend of grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and beeswax. Field Company designed this specific mixture to act as both a deep conditioner and a restorative balm for older, tired-looking cast iron cookware that needs a serious boost in protection. The combination of natural oils and waxes in this formula is intended to create a substantially thicker protective layer than what you'd get from a standard liquid oil. The beeswax acts as a physical barrier against humidity, making it an incredibly appealing option for people who live in damp climates and constantly battle surface rust. When you hold the tin, you can immediately tell this is a premium, well-crafted product designed for serious cast iron enthusiasts. During my testing phase, I applied this seasoning blend to a heavily neglected, thrifted skillet that had seen better days. Taking a small dab on a lint-free cloth, I rubbed it aggressively into the pitted metal. The texture is quite unique. It requires a bit of elbow grease to melt the wax with the friction of your hands before it fully penetrates the iron's pores. Once it gets going, it provides a very rich, dark hydration to the metal that is visually stunning. However, that thick beeswax blend brings a noticeable learning curve that can be quite frustrating for beginners. If you apply even a microscopic fraction too much product, the wax struggles to fully polymerize in the oven, leaving behind a persistently tacky residue that acts like a magnet for lint and dust. I found myself having to reheat and furiously buff the skillet multiple times just to get rid of that sticky surface, which made the whole seasoning process far more tedious than it needed to be. 4. Clark's B07V2Q2PJ1. This oil is made entirely from 100% plant-based, highly refined fractionated coconut oil. It proudly boasts a vegan formula with absolutely zero synthetic chemicals or mineral oil, making it an incredibly safe, food-grade option for health-conscious home chefs. One of the most impressive features of fractionated coconut oil is its incredible shelf stability. Unlike raw flaxseed or canola oil, Clark's formula is specifically designed to resist going rancid, meaning it never requires refrigeration and will never leave a foul, off-putting odor in your kitchen cabinets. This makes it an incredibly reliable choice for people who might only pull out their cast iron skillets or Dutch ovens once a month for a special Sunday dinner. I tested Clark's oil as part of a daily maintenance routine on a large carbon steel pan and a traditional cast iron griddle. The application experience is wonderfully smooth. The liquid glides effortlessly across the metal, instantly reviving the dark, lustrous finish of the pan. It has a completely neutral scent, which I really appreciated, and it requires no oven baking for daily care. You simply wipe it on after cleaning, and you are good to go. While it is an absolute joy to use for simple hydration, its performance falters slightly when you need to build a hard, durable seasoning from scratch. Because it is derived from coconut oil, the fats simply do not polymerize as aggressively or form as tough of a shell as traditional drying oils do under extreme heat. I noticed that when I subjected my skillet to a very intense, high-heat steak sear and later cooked a mildly acidic dish, the seasoning layer broke down much faster, requiring me to completely re-oil the pan immediately after washing. 3. AWEASROY Griddle Seasoning. While it is marketed heavily toward Blackstone grill owners, this premium seasoning wax is utterly exceptional for all types of cast iron and carbon steel cookware. It utilizes a meticulously developed recipe with a perfect ratio of premium ingredients to ensure your cooking surfaces remain pristine. The standout feature of this seasoning is its ability to create a formidable, long-lasting protective coat that acts as an intense barrier against severe environmental factors. Whether your cookware is sitting in a humid outdoor kitchen or stored in a damp basement, this wax locks out moisture completely. The packaging provides a generous 7-ounce portion, which offers tremendous value since a tiny amount of this concentrated wax goes an incredibly long way. I tested the AWEASROY seasoning on a massive outdoor flat-top griddle as well as my daily driver indoor cast iron skillet. The application process is incredibly satisfying. As soon as the wax hits the warm metal, it melts into a perfectly viscous liquid that eagerly dives into every microscopic pore of the iron. It spreads with remarkable evenness, ensuring you don't end up with pools of unbaked oil that can ruin a seasoning job. The non-stick capabilities it produces are nothing short of phenomenal. During the high-heat bonding process, the wax vaporizes cleanly without choking out your kitchen with thick, acrid smoke. What is left behind is a deep, dark, durable patina that genuinely enhances the flavor of your food. I fried eggs, cooked delicate fish, and seared marinated chicken, and the food simply danced across the surface without leaving a single stuck-on fragment behind. The AWEASROY Griddle seasoning is an absolute must-have for anyone who frequently cooks outdoors or wants a reliable, mess-free seasoning wax for their indoor cast iron. Two, CARON and DOUCET B00QGWM59A. This is another 100% plant-based option, but it brings an incredibly innovative twist to cast iron care. Made from a base of highly refined, solvent-free coconut oil, this product has been engineered from the ground up to guarantee a perfectly clean, non-toxic surface that is completely safe for all food contact. What truly elevates CARON and DOUCET above the competition is the inclusion of a proprietary blend of pure essential oils. While typical cooking oils only add fat to the pan, this specific formula is chemically designed to actively combat and eliminate lingering food odors. If you are tired of your morning pancakes tasting vaguely like the onions and garlic you sautéed the night before, this feature alone makes this product an absolute game changer. To really put this to the test, I cooked a heavily spiced, incredibly fragrant curry in my cast iron skillet, a dish that notoriously leaves a stubborn odor for days. After a standard wash, I applied a few drops of the CARON and DOUCET oil and buffed it in. Almost instantly, the sharp, bright scent of the essential oils neutralized the pungent curry smell completely. My skillet was left smelling remarkably fresh and looking incredibly sleek. The consistency of this oil is practically perfect for cast iron maintenance. It is exceptionally lightweight, which means it is almost impossible to over-apply. A quick wipe with a paper towel effortlessly removes any excess, guaranteeing that you never end up with the dreaded sticky, gummy residue that plagues so many other seasoning products. It cures beautifully in the oven or on the stovetop, leaving a smooth, satin finish. 1. Tourangelle B00QGWM59A. This is a 100% all-natural, artisanal, expeller-pressed grapeseed oil that stands as the absolute holy grail for cast iron enthusiasts. It isn't a complex blend or a fancy wax. It is pure, high-performance oil that perfectly aligns with the exact science of seasoning metal. The secret behind its unmatched performance lies in its chemical composition. Grapeseed oil is a highly effective drying oil because it is absolutely packed with polyunsaturated fats. Combined with its remarkably high smoke point of up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, these fats polymerize into a rock-hard, indestructible plastic-like coating under heat faster and more efficiently than almost any other fat in existence. When I stripped one of my oldest, most stubborn skillets down to the bare, grey metal, I chose Tourangelle to rebuild it from scratch. The results were nothing short of spectacular. After just a few ultra-thin coats baked in the oven at 450 degrees, the pan emerged with a deep, glossy, black glass finish that looked like it belonged in a museum. The oil polymerized completely flush, without a single spot of unevenness or stickiness. The non-stick performance on this freshly minted surface was utterly breathtaking. I subjected it to the ultimate cast iron challenge by dropping a completely ungreased egg directly onto the hot skillet. The egg practically levitated, gliding across the surface with zero hesitation and absolutely no sticking. It proved beyond a shadow of a doubt just how incredibly robust and slick the grapeseed polymerized layer had become. What cements Tourangelle as the undeniable winner is its spectacular versatility and massive value. It arrives in a beautiful, UV-protective tin that blocks out light to ensure the oil stays remarkably fresh. Because it is a premium, Neutral-tasting food-grade oil, it doubles as an elite cooking, searing, and marinating ingredient.